Hello everyone, this is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to another video. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install HandBrake video converter for your Mac OS for free. It's completely genuine and effective video converter application. We know it very well. So I'm going to show you how to install it completely on your Mac OS. So if it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, you have to open a browser on your Mac OS. Here I'm going to open the Safari web browser. And then you have to search here HandBrake download. And you will see the first page over here. Just click on this downloads option. And now you have to choose this Mac OS option, download universal. And then a file is going to be downloaded. Click on this allow button. And here you can see that the file is being downloaded. Wait a few seconds until it is completely downloaded on your Mac OS. And after downloading, we are going to install it on our Mac. So here you can see that the file has been downloaded. Normally, double click on it. You have to open it every single time to convert any videos. This is an open source project. So that's it. So from now on, if I click again on this, opening it, choosing the video from this file option, open source, and for example, I'm choosing this video, open, and now you have to choose the format again and click on this start button to start conversion. Here you can see that the file is being converted and it is going to be saved into your movies folder inside your username. For example, I want to file the file right now. I'm stopping it, clicking on these files. And from here, click on this Go, Computer, and choose Macintosh HD, Users, and Username. And here you will get movies. And you can find both videos. The first one is the raw video and the second one is converted video. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to download and install and convert any video for free using the open source tool HandBrake on macOS. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.